All right, we're back with the FD. I've got the engine bay cooking right now. It was all cleaned up in the last video if you guys saw. Today's is a little quick video. Just got something for the interior. I'm waiting for a couple things to get powder coated and sandblasted for the engine bay. So, well, that's a loud bike being started. We'll wait till that's done. Like I was saying, the engine bay, I sent a couple things to get like sandblasted and powder coated. So I'm gonna move on to the interior for now. I just got this gauge pods for the center speaker vent up there. If you guys take a look at the way the gauge pods are set up right now, they're kind of wired in terribly and like all over the place, and yeah, not fun, especially because I want to put in either the OEM radio or something into here, so I can't have this just sitting around. So I figured I'd move it up here. I got this off of some guy in Australia who started 3D printing them. I don't know, it came with a broken tab here. Probably should have spent a little more and got like a Drake's, but whatever. Anyways, but it should sit right here and it should be pretty clean. So the main goal right now is to figure out how to actually do this. I'm pretty sure the speaker vent just pops out at the top. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and pry that up and see how it goes. I mean, this pick might work. Well, I guess that's what happens to plastics that are 30 years old. Center speaker's out. Let's figure out how to actually take this speaker off so we have the room in there. Nice, I just dropped it and it broke more. What are we looking like in here? It's looking like it's a couple screws. That's not even a screw. All right, looks like it's just a Phillips. Hey, over here I got some of the nuts from the last video that I took off. They're sitting in vinegar here just to take the rust off. I don't know if I can even get you guys a better angle, I'm sorry. Oh, I feel better. Oh, nice. Nice, the mount just fell apart. That's terrible. All right, so I guess I had to pop the, there's some like metal retainers in the original speaker bracket. I had to pop those out and then put them into the new one. I really don't want to break the new one either. No, that's good there. Oh, whatever. Okay, that's in. Cause like these rears, they're like kind of dig in sideways. This one's just straight up broken. This one kind of looks like it's broken, but anyways, old speaker vent I'll leave up here. New one has the metal clips on it. Let's get back to figuring out all that stuff. All right, well, we've got the speaker rod. I'm not gonna disconnect the wire because honestly, I think from looking at Drake Lore's like website, it seems like you can route it with the speaker. Like you can wire it with the speaker in there too. So I'll just kind of leave that up there, and we're gonna get to work on removing all these old gauges. Man, this is so terrible. Okay, let's pull all these gauges out. You are easy to understand. That's 1 gauge, that's 2 gauge. What is all this? This is all over the place. Let's just start feeding it up through this like gap here. Oh, I feel it. Oh, we did it. Which fucking thing is this for though? Yeah, wideband. Okay, boom. Wideband. That's what I mean, that's 1 cable through. That's sick. Okay. Boom. All right, that's through. And we will go up the same. My arm's stuck. Okay, boom. Does this fit in this one? It doesn't fit. Oh no, it does. So it could 1000% be boost. I mean, they're both the same. The sensors are different. This is my wideband. I know specifically because it's hooked up to the data logit. So what I need to do is route this through here and up and over. Okay, but this is the wideband. This is for sure the wideband. So we are gonna sacrifice our arm once again. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Yeah, I cannot keep the speaker in here if I want this to work. The speaker's got to come out. I had everything wired up through the car and I had the gauge pod in place, but we're kind of running into an issue right now. So I don't know if it's a production error or what, but I've got one gauge in, two gauge in. The third one, my third gauge, does not want to go in. So I don't know if I'm just stupid or if this is a production error. It said it was supposed to fit 3 AEM 52 millimeter gauges, and unfortunately doesn't look like it does. No matter what orientation, this middle gauge is a little small. It's not fitting any gauge. I can put two in the sides, no problem, but it overlaps here. So that's an issue that we're gonna have to talk to the manufacturer with, or the guy who makes them. So yeah, kind of a short-lived thing, but at least we got those routed through. Hopefully he'll send us a replacement, or honestly I might just buy it off of Drake Lore here and just get a refund. We'll get this sorted out, but it's a good start, at least for the wiring. We'll get that done later.